Hi, I'm Claire, also known as Blondy Builder. Today I'm going to share with you how my friend and I built this Catio for her cats and new kitten to play in safely. This kitten came from one of my recent litters. You may recognise my own Catio here, which features in one of my other video tutorials. This time the Catio was for my friend and she designed this herself, measuring out exactly what she needed to fit around her window so the cats could go out and explore safely. After working out how much she needed, she ordered this wood from the builder's merchant. This was delivered to her house and she picked up some polyester corrugated sheet roofing, some heavy-duty netting, and we hired our power tools from Toolbox Hire. Our furry friends were never far away to lend a hand. After measuring the correct lengths, we started to cut and prepare to build our frames. We decided to build each side and then erect the roof last. To connect the frame together, we drilled holes and screwed the framing together with 2 long wood screws in either corner. We then screwed in brackets to reinforce each corner. Next, we built in studs and noggins for each panel. Then we used a staple gun to attach the wire netting and trimmed the excess. A door was made and hinges attached. Plenty room was left surrounding the door for any movement and adjustments. These gaps were later hidden with packing. We wanted the frame to fit up snugly against this shed, but still be able to open the door. By using spirit levels and measuring carefully, we therefore built up this frame to fill in any gaps and later packed it for neatness. Next, it was time to attach the frame to the wall. Again, using a spirit level, we marked where we wanted to drill and used a hammer drill and concrete fixings. Once the wall framing was up, we started to attach the panels. For the roof, we used thicker wood for the wall framing and then made trusses for the plastic corrugated roofing to attach to. The final bits of wire were attached and then all the remaining gaps were packed and made to look neat. Finally, it was time to decorate. Plants were added, hanging baskets, and leftover wood was utilised to make ramps and stations for the cats to play on. With a couple of rolls of jute rope and a hot glue gun, it's easy to make little accessories such as these and also scratching posts and ramps that the cats can climb on. I hope you enjoyed our video on making another Catio. If, like us, you love cats and or DIY, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more creative ideas. Thank you.